If you're absent today, I'm going to use this sheet that's not in your packet to go over what we went over in class today. So we're going to start by using a shortcut method to calculate the answer for unit rate. And we're going to show our work and then state what the answer means. Now, again, a unit rate is the amount for one of something. So let's read the first problem. Jessica bakes 112 muffins in 7 batches. How many muffins does each batch contain? So let's highlight the information that they give us. She baked 112 muffins in 7 batches. And they go on to say how many muffins. That's what we don't know. We're trying to find the amount of muffins. And then it says for each batch. So when we hear the word each, that's referring to one. So we could use the proportion method, but we've discovered that after using the proportion method and showing the shortcut is more efficient. So we're going to start with 112 muffins because they ask us how many muffins per batch. So we're trying to figure out how many muffins we can do in one. But they gave us 7 batches. So we're given that. We want to label, because that's going to help us in just a few minutes label what our answer is. Now I want you to notice this ratio bar also in math means division. So I'm going to use that knowledge that this little bar here means division to say 112 divided by 7. So would you pause this video and use your calculator? And the answer was 16. So what we found, the question, how many muffins? Well, there's 16 muffins. And it went on to say in each batch. In each batch. Or we could say per batch or for one batch, because each implies one. Let's complete another example using number 2. Number 2 says Robert can prepare 15 tacos in 5 minutes. Find the number of tacos he cooked per minute. The word per implies 1. So we're going to start by highlighting the information they gave us. 15 tacos, 15 tacos in 5 minutes. Then they ask us specifically to find the number of tacos. We need to find the number of tacos. That's what we don't know. So we're trying to find the number of tacos, but they went on to mention per minute. And when they say per minute, that means for 1 minute. So we're going to start with the information that they gave us. They had 15 tacos. Robert can cook 15 tacos in 5 minutes. Once again, this ratio fraction bar also means division. So we're going to use this as a shortcut. We're going to take 15 divided by 5, and that will give us 3. So now let's go back and figure out what they ask us. They ask us to find the number of tacos. So that's 3 tacos, and they went on to say per minute. In 1 minute. So we can either write per minute or we can write in 1 minute. Again, a unit rate is always for one of the second item. Hope this was helpful, and I'd like you to go on now and do the practice sheet 1 through 3.